Do you want to make money online without investment? Here on this video, I'm going to be showing you a platform where you can actually make money for yourself without having to invest anything. You can see here, it says make money online without investing. Perform simple tasks. Try and earn your first money today. Withdrawal was available from 0.03. Okay, so once you click on start making money, you are going to register and start making money for yourself. Okay, let's see, what are you going to be doing on this platform? Okay, what task can you complete to get money? This is the tasks you can do. Okay, view advertising banners. Okay, visit advertisers website, watch pay-per-view videos, and earn on affiliate. So these are the things you do on this platform to make money for yourself: by watching videos, earn on affiliates, visiting websites, and all that. Okay, so these are the 4 things you do on this platform to make money for yourself. Let's see the benefits of earning from this platform. Okay, so here are the benefits. You can actually earn from your PC, your laptop, your tablet, or your smartphone. So you can actually use your smartphone on this website. You can, or your PC, whichever one you have. Okay, instant withdrawals from 0.03. So once you have 0.03, you can actually withdraw your money. Okay, so payments are in dollars. You get paid in dollars. Okay, with any browser. You can work with any browser: your Chrome, your Firefox, your Opera, and all that. Okay, so and so many other things. Anyone can make money from this platform. Easy withdrawal. Okay, so these are the benefits of actually joining this platform to make money. If you go down, how to make money on this platform? Okay, this is the name of the platform. You can go ahead and type it on your browser and then register for yourself. Okay, how to make money from this platform? Register yourself. Sign up on our website by clicking start making money and registration button. Okay, then install the extension, choose the tax, and then keep track of notification, complete tasks, and get your money. Okay, so start completing tasks and earn your first money today. So once you click on this start making money, you are going to go ahead and register, but make sure you watch this video to an end so that you don't miss any step. So let's go down and see. Watch the video on how to make money on soft B platform. Okay, so once you watch this video, it's going to show you how you can actually make money from this platform. Okay, so let's go down. What will you get? Okay, extra income on the internet, monetizing of your free time, the ability to earn anywhere in the world, the ability to build passive income. So these are the benefits you get also from this platform. So ability to monetize your free time, earn from many parts of the world, and others. So this platform has been in existence for 6.5 years, and these are the amounts of users that are using this platform, and they have paid this amount of money to their users. Okay, so if you look down here, you're going to see so many withdrawals going on here. Okay, you can see people withdrawing their money as low as 0.3, they're withdrawing it as high as 1.2, they're withdrawing it. So you can actually withdraw your money from this platform. So I'm going to go ahead and register on this platform so I can show you how the inside looks like. So once you are on this page, just click on create an account. Click on create an account and go ahead and register. Sign up, use your email, your password, and then so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to put in my username right now. Once you finish your username, your password, and your email address, click on sign up. Okay, I'll try and leave the link on the description. Oh yeah, check this box, I am not a robot. I'll try and leave the link on the description of this video so that you can actually click on it and register. So once you check, click on sign up. Okay, right now this is how the inside of this platform looks like. Okay, welcome to SoftB. Tell us a bit about yourself. I am a user, I am an advertiser. You're going to go ahead and choose I want to earn by doing simple tasks. Okay, click on I am a user. Have you ever worked with a similar website? Have an experience and all that? I may you be never made money online. Let me use this. Okay, select anyone. I have a gift for you. Your rating increased by 2000 ESP. Okay, so click on thank you. Always to make money. Different. Okay, so we're going to click on next. viewing videos. These are how you can make money. So they are trying to explain how you can make money from this platform. Okay, next, browser extension, a mobile app. You can install it on your mobile app. Affiliate program. When you invite people to our site with you earn 5 to 10%. Okay, so these are different ways you can make money. For those who have their own website, become a publisher on this platform. Okay, so let's click on let's get started. So right now I'm inside my platform. All right, okay, so you can either be a user or an advertiser. So if you want to advertise your platform here, you can actually come here and also become an advertiser on this platform. So let me show you how this platform. So once you go down, you see if I watch this video now, I'm going to be earning this amount for watching this video, but I'm not going to be doing this now. So let's just go down and see how it was, how to earn more from this platform. Okay, earn more with our browser extension or mobile app. Okay, for simple tasks, increase your rating and invite referrals, invite your friends and all that. So this is how you can actually make money from this platform. So go ahead and go to the advert. Once you click here, see my advert, finance and all that, you can see how to make money from here. You can also place your own ad on this place too. Okay, so this is actually how this platform look like. Go ahead right now and sign up and start making money for yourself on this platform. Right, thank you so much for watching this video to an end. If you have any question, just go ahead and drop your question on the comment. I'm going to answer you. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications to always get notified anytime I post a video like this. Thank you.